Well, the coffee bean burlap diffusion panels sure had their aesthetic appeal. But there was one problem. They're full of Roxol insulation, which is covered by furniture batting, so I'm not so concerned about the insulation fibers getting in here, but what I do notice is that the burlap fiber sometimes gets loose, and I can see it floating by, and I'm thinking, that might get in my lungs. So maybe a layer of cotton just all the way along the wall, and then cover that in a more cleaned up version of burlap. You'll notice that I used Robert's Superfelt Insulating Underlayment for the first layer, but check out the blog post in the description to find out why this was unnecessary. The green layer is a moisture barrier. You shouldn't have any moisture in your audio booth. Since many sound professionals consider cotton to be one of the best absorbers, just use U-Haul's 100% denim felt furniture pads for sound absorption and diffusion. After one layer of the Roberts Superfelt, I used some moving blanket scraps to hold pieces of Roxol insulation at key locations on the ceiling and walls. These would serve as diffusion panels. On top of that, I layered the ceiling, sidewalls, and floor with 3 layers of the U-Haul felt furniture pads. I also added 2 layers to the base trap end walls. You'll definitely want to use an electric-powered staple gun with long staples for this project. Next, I built a second door that would open into the booth. It will block noise sneaking in through the door frame. I used 1x2s to reinforce a piece of 1/4-inch plywood and added 2 18-inch piano hinges. For sound absorption, I added felt furniture pads. On the inside surface, I added a piece of Roxol as a diffusion panel. I hope you found this behind-the-scenes series about my DIY home studio construction useful, and I really hope it helps you to avoid some of my mistakes. Subscribe to see future episodes and check out the blog in the description for additional insights.